In today's video, I'm going to teach you Wix Blog tutorial, how to create a blog on Wix. By the end, you'll have a live blog on your Wix website and a published post ready to share. Start in the Wix website editor for your site. Once you're in the editor, open the Site Pages panel and choose the option to add a new page. From the page types, select Blog, then choose Add Wix Blog. Wix will walk you through a quick setup. Follow the highlighted prompts to confirm the install, allow Wix to add the default blog pages, and finish the setup flow. This adds the main blog page to your site along with the tools you'll use to write and manage posts. Next, open the blog management tools and click Manage Posts. In the Posts dashboard, select Create New Post. You'll see the post editor with a title field and a content area. Type your post title at the top. Make it clear and descriptive so readers know exactly what to expect. Then, in the main editor, write your content. You can format text, add headings, images, videos, and dividers to make the post scannable and engaging. A good tip is to keep paragraphs short and use subheadings to guide readers through your ideas. If you want help brainstorming or refining copy, click Content AI inside the editor. You can use it to generate an outline, expand a paragraph, or punch up your intro. Treat AI suggestions as a starting point. Edit for your voice and accuracy before you move on. When your post looks good, click Publish in the post editor. Wix will save and publish that post to your blog. Right after publishing, use the Share and Promote your blog post option. From here, follow the highlighted prompts to copy your post link or share directly to social platforms. This is a quick way to drive your first visitors without leaving the editor. Now head back to your blog page in the editor to make sure everything is in place. When you're satisfied with how the blog page looks on your site, click Publish at the top of the editor to push all site changes live. Finally, click View Site to open your live website and confirm the blog page and your new post are visible and working as expected. That's it. You've added the Wix blog, created your first post,